I've been on the Uber and Uber Eats platform for some time, almost 10 years now, since 2015. So when I say 20 expert tips, I mean, yeah. Number one, this is kind of updated for 2025, by the way. Check your profile, go into your menu and see, are you on Uber Pro? Or maybe you didn't know, they might switch it automatically. If you primarily do Uber Eats, they might switch it kind of without telling you to Uber Eats Pro. Don't worry, nothing really changes other than the rewards program that you're under. Number two, compared to, let's say, DoorDash, because specifically we're talking about Uber Eats, they might send you, anecdotal, so let me know what you think about this, more order volume, like order, don't want it, order, don't want it, order, don't want it. They just keep sending you volume, but not as much quality maybe as DoorDash. Number three, if you're in one of the, we'll say, fewer marketplaces that has this rewards program, preferred deliveries, if you don't have this, it might be coming to your marketplace similar to Dasher Rewards. Is it worth it? High paying offers. I tested gold status. I mean, frankly, they sent me like $1 like 10-ish per mile. High paying offers. Not good. Doesn't mean that preferred deliveries is all bad. And let me know down below in the comments, do you want me to go for preferred deliveries again? Right now, I'm going to give it a verdict of eh. Number four, did you know, I never really use this, I don't know why, you have 2 destination filters a day if you happen to get pulled away, because Uber Eats lets you basically drive anywhere in the service area. You can hopefully get back by finding orders headed towards that waypoint using the destination filter. Number five, their batched bonus incentive called Quests might be lower, again, anecdotal, let me know, might be lower per delivery than DoorDash challenges, but at least Uber Eats Quests are more common than DoorDash challenges. Number six, go into your menu here, go into this work hub, because Uber at the end of 2024, so this is also quite recent for 2025, they said they're going to be improving and offering more work opportunities here in the work hub. So you can opt in to this direct, it's like business supply or package deliveries. I can't say I really get direct runs, but maybe you do. Number seven, staying in the menu here, something that I kind of like just discovered today. I don't know why we need this. Go into your menu, go to your account, or like click on your little profile thing there, go to documents, and then there's this explore where you can earn feature. So it tells you where you're activated to drive. So it says like all of Pennsylvania. I'm coming to you here from Pittsburgh. Maybe that would help if you're in like an area where you're bordering a lot of states, or you're in a smaller state bridging into New York, like New Jersey. I don't know, but there you go. Number eight, the basics of how to understand an offer card. Let's take a look at an order request. So I get an order request and I'm looking at the fundamentals that we teach you here. Obviously, what's the pay, but what's the mileage? What is that dollars to mile ratio, we call it? How much am I getting paid per mile driven? I look at any estimated time. I look at the restaurant. I look at the ending destination, because I don't want to get pulled away super far, or at least the ending destination. Do I feel like I can get offers there? If you're just starting, frankly, like let a few orders run through. You don't have to accept everything. So take some time, start to understand that screen layout, how much time you have, understanding which orders are actually worth it. Number nine, I teach you to multi-app, which is driving or working on different apps at the same time so you can select the best offer. I kind of multi-app in a unique way with Uber Eats. So I told you, they might send you a lot of low paying or orders that aren't worth it, and a lot of them, volume. So if I have my different screens open when I'm cycling through the apps, multi-apping, if I see a drop-down notification, hey, you got an offer for Uber Eats, I might kind of ignore it, or at least get back to it a couple of seconds later than Grubhub, DoorDash or another app because I know they might send me more volume, but it's not worth it. Number 10, if you didn't know, Uber Eats is just flat out not as popular as DoorDash, at least in the macro, at least when we consider monthly sales. Number 11, when compared to that DoorDash, I feel like possibly there's a little bit more leeway when it comes to the ETAs, like the expected delivery times, either pickup or drop off on Uber Eats than DoorDash. I feel like DoorDash will hit you if you're exceptionally late, they say, with one of those contract violations. There's not really contract violations on Uber Eats. Still, I don't want you to be taking huge breaks and rest stops, whatever. Do your delivery if you've accepted the delivery. But I feel like there's a little bit more leeway on Uber Eats. Number 12, tip baiting is definitely more of a thing on Uber Eats than DoorDash. So those Uber Eats customers can adjust the tip after the delivery up or down to zero. Now, I do call for every single gig app to have $10 zeroed out tip protection, kind of like Instacart has introduced, at least in the past. I think every gig app should have up to $10 zeroed out tip protections for their workers when that customer doesn't indicate anything at all and they just zero out that tip. Number 13 is a way throwback, but I'd still do it. It's the old profile screen hack that we talk about. So go into your menu, go into your accounts, and you can actually edit what the customer sees here. And I would put something that's kind of an ethos or emotional appeal to why do you deliver? Now, I've always said, please just honestly put something in there, earnings goals, personal goals, whatever it is, because some customers 100% will see that when they're tracking their offer. And that could lead to a better tip. 14, I feel like Uber Eats just has a better chance of an add-on offer. So you accept the offer, okay, I'm going to Popeyes, and then they'll toss you another offer like 30 seconds after you accepted it as an add-on. Now, ideally, we want add-ons from the same restaurants. You don't have to go drive and park somewhere else. 15, if you have flat rates on Uber Eats, and I feel like not everyone has this. So let me know in the comments, do you have flat rates? Actually, do you like flat rates? If you have it, what are flat rates? It's basically the same thing as earned by time on DoorDash. Literally, it's the same thing where you can only decline once per hour. Same thing. 16, especially if you're new, you might see if you decline several offers in a row, typically it's 3. They might send you offline. It'll either say like too many consecutive declines or are you still there? Whatever kind of verbiage they use. Nothing's really going to happen. Nothing happens to your account. You'll still get the same amounts, quality of offers. It's just one of those things to make sure like literally you're actually there. You didn't just set your phone down online and walk away somewhere. But if you're paying attention and it sends you offline for, let's say, declining 3 in a row, you can go right back online. There's no penalty. 17, do you remember at the start of this video, I told you at the end of 2024, they did this, their only on Uber event. Now, there was 20 plus improvements. Really the best things for courier work were the improved aerial maps. So it's just better delivery maps, I guess, and customer notes. And like I mentioned prior, the improved work hub. Number 18, if you are going for the rewards program on Uber Eats Pro, it's a points-based system and it's kind of surprising, kind of not, I guess. You can see what they're really emphasizing, I suppose, that you'll get 6 times the points if you deliver during the dinner rush, 5 to 9 p.m. versus 3 points for lunch, 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. and just 1 point outside of those hours. Number 19, something, I don't know when they changed this. I'm trying to remember on Uber Eats. There is no countdown timer. Like most apps not only have the visual like a bar going down, but they also have a counter. The visual thing's nice, but I guess you can't mentally count down and know, okay, I have 25 seconds left to multi-app with my other apps or look at this one and make a decision. Number 20, honestly, backing up for a second, just for your gig work in general, Do you know how much better you'll feel if you don't have this and you get it? A solid phone holder. If you're putting that thing in your cup holder, in your lap, or if you're just holding it, trust me, you will feel so much better. Spend the 20, 30, 40 bucks. Get a nice one if you want. You're going to be so happy that you have that thing. I don't care where you put it. Check your, state laws and whatnot, where you can put it on your vehicle. Get a good phone holder. It can charge your phone, or it can be like a little manual thing that doesn't charge your phone. It's going to be like one of the best peace of mind things that you'll get. It's not going to cost you that much money. It's a business expense. Trust me. It'll make this gig economy a lot easier.